What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to USD. That will be the coin for this week. Thank you guys for commenting down below which one you wanted to see. But we have a bunch of things to discuss today besides, this cryptocurrency Litecoin. I do have some important announcements to make as part of the channel. As you guys know, Litecoin is having a very interesting pattern in relationship to the rest of the cryptocurrencies. It seems like there's an inverse pattern between Litecoin, which was overbought at 140, now starting to retrace, while the cryptocurrencies, big Bitcoin and the altcoins like Ethereum and XRP are starting to, move up. They are no longer, overbought, and they are starting to see movement on their RSI to higher levels, and inadvertently it's lowering Litecoin. So there's a very interesting chart happening right now. I'd like to really dig deep and compare that. Otherwise, moving on, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little snippet of the intro today. I will be going a little more in depth as to what that is after the intro, but if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, the two announcements I want to make really quick is the number one, we're going to be doing the giveaway for 3 people, the lucky 3 winners who will win the Bitcoin Liquid Assets energy drink, giving away 3 cases. So I'll do that right now, and then I want to go in detail as to what I referenced by that Lamborghini video I posted in the beginning. So let's load up the YouTube comments. We have 161 unique users. People who double commented are not allowed to join. You only get 1 comment per person. So let's see if they reference liquid assets, they will win. And then obviously you guys make sure to email me. So there you go. This is the first winner, Recycled Memes. Thanks for the update, Hayden. Would love one of these cases, but either way, I'm a loyal subscriber. You won the first Bitcoin Liquid Assets energy drink. All you have to do now is please email me, send me an email, and then write your address where you would like the Bitcoin Liquid Assets sent to, and I will get that right over to you. So that's the first winner. Now we got 2 more winners, so let's see who the winners are. Here is the second one. As it loads up, they have to reference the liquid assets. Let's see. There we go. The next winner is Marcelino Valerio. Subscribe, Liquid Bitcoin sounds so good. So bam, that is the second winner. Marcelino Valerio, make sure to email me your address that you'd like to send to, and I will send that over. And now let's pick the last winner for the Bitcoin Liquid Assets. Let's see. He chose the Ledger Nano X. That has already been given away, so now we have to choose another person. I apologize, but that wasn't part of the rules. Let's see. And this should be the winner right now. Okay, is that? No. Did not reference it. So we're still got a third person who's going to win the liquid assets. So let's see who that third person is. 10K, however, mine in the US. Ireland would love, however. Oh, there we go. You can't post to Ireland. LOL, so I can nominate my friend of mine in the US. Well, Silver Limey 79, who I know is a big supporter of the channel, just won the 3rd case, so you can let me know. I believe we can ship to, out of the country, but if not, let me know who your friend is, and I'll send that over. Just make sure to email me at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. You can find it in the description down below. But otherwise, moving on, I would like to discuss with you really quick what I referenced at Lamborghini. So for those of you who are new to the channel, you should, I want to let you guys know, for those of you who our previous subscribers already know, that I work for a exotic car company, an exotic car rental company, which is absolutely phenomenal. I met them through my YouTube channel doing cryptocurrency real world adoption. They were the first people that I was able to get to start accepting crypto, and they have gotten crypto payments. So with that connection, that relationship, I've actually grown into working with them. As you guys know, I am in school for marketing, so what's a better way than to work with an exotic car company? I got them to accept crypto, I got themselves, and now I'm a marketing specialist at, as you guys know, the car rental company. So I want to make a huge shout out to them. I want to, show you guys really quickly this small clip of what I'm doing for them. Not only am I working in their sales and things like that, I work as their marketing specialist. I help do marketing. So I've been focusing on their YouTube channel, and we just got it all set up, and now I'm posting this awesome video. So I want to show you guys a small clip of what that is, what I'm doing, and then, you know, we're really trying to get them to 1,000 subscribers. They just broke 100. So it'd be super awesome if you guys can click the first link in the description, get them to 1,000, check out the video, make sure to subscribe. We're trying to get that video to blow up, you know, at least a couple hundred people to watch it. It's super awesome. I am the main focal point. So if you guys like fancy cars, you like cryptocurrency, things like that, definitely check out that channel. Definitely watch the video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. You can even say that I referenced you guys and I sent you over, but let me know your thoughts. You know, we're really trying to grow their YouTube, so definitely make sure to check that out. But otherwise, let me roll that small clip right now. So we will be bringing our Lamborghini Huracan. So guys, without delay, I do actually want to start talking about cryptocurrency. I know that's what you guys are here for. I apologize for taking up a couple of minutes, but I felt like those things were quite important. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, let me know down below or on their YouTube channel. You can find that on the first link in the description, but you can see right here, we are on the current coin market cap. And as you guys noticed in the title of the video, we have this interesting pattern forming with Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So you can see market cap is now 290 with 24-hour volume being 70 billion, and then a Bitcoin dominance of 57.3. So the markets are growing, and they're growing quite high. You can see that Litecoin is still holding the number 4th position, and Bitcoin is the most grown. Actually, that's not true. We have Bitcoin SV and Binance Coin, but most of the time we're seeing Bitcoin move up. The altcoins are, for the most part, a little bit lower than Bitcoin. So we're starting to see consolidation and movement upwards. And without that, without further ado, I do want to just jump into the charts because that's the most important thing, and I don't want to delay on that. But very interesting movements right now, guys. You know, and I hate that the markets consolidate because I know you guys are so bullish and you guys want to buy in and you want to make money. But, you know, I'm a conservative trader. I'm looking at so many coins. We're looking at 4 coins right now per video. It's hard to look at every single coin in the market. I know other people do like a coin a day, but I felt like this would be the best way to cover 4 coins and watch them for the next couple of days. You can see that Litecoin is still, for those of you who are new to the channel, in some sort of consolidation ascending triangle. We have an ascending wedge that has been growing quite substantially, but you'll notice we have resistance at 143 and we have topped off. We've hit the top of the high-low of the RSI, entering overbought, and we're starting to consolidate down. So even though on the coin market cap we're up, for TradingView on Litecoin to Coinbase, you'll notice we are starting to retrace down. But compared to the rest of the coins, we see Bitcoin actually moving up. You'll see, boom, we're moving up. We have Ethereum, which is also moving up right here, and then we have XRP, which I believe is also moving up. Bam, you can see that. So interesting to see that Litecoin is retracing while all the other altcoins are starting to move up higher. Well, why is that? So you'll notice there's a couple of patterns that we're starting to see. Bitcoin is now testing overbought. Doesn't mean we can't break out higher. It still is a possibility, but we are now overbought, and we could see consolidation or movement down sideways. You'll notice before we did draw, for those of you who are new and have me on Patreon, I've added in these lines onto your graphs, and if you guys want updated charts, just, you know, send me a message and I'll send those over to you. But you'll see that we do have this uptrend right here. We do have our bottom support right here, and we're in this ascending triangle. Now you'll notice that we were using this as a support level until we broke bearish through it and then used our bottom support to trade up higher. Now we're currently testing the top of our resistance. You'll see we're trying to break through, but for the most part we're consolidating back down under it. We did manage to break a support of $9,000, which is huge, so we could see sideways movement. We could float around that $9,200 to $9,300 level for the next couple of days. That is very possible before seeing a surge to the upside till 10 grand. You know, we're definitely going to hit 10 grand, guys. Don't think I'm bearish on cryptocurrency. The markets are moving. You know, Litecoin halving is coming up in August. Coins are moving up. I do think there's more runs to be made. I'm not bearish right now on the market. I do think Bitcoin needs consolidation, and that's not bearish. That's just healthy movement. And then I am anticipating another movement, another run up to 10 grand, if not higher. So I'm looking for consolidation like this on this yellow line till we retest this support, this bottom support right here. And then we're going to blast up to 10 grand. I think that's going to happen within a couple of, weeks. This is, the beginning of July. So we got like just 2 weeks before we see a potential $10,000 Bitcoin. So that's going to be huge for the market. Now, Litecoin, I think, is going to do the same thing. They all kind of happen in July. So I think we're going to see more consolidation within Litecoin. Lower that down on the RSI, get us back to 50, as we potentially move down to 126. And then we could see a pretty big major move up to like $180, $200. And I'm not being, perma bullish. I'm just saying that with this ascending triangle, we need this to consolidate off. There's still money to be made here. If you guys are investing in here, you could catch this downtrend, buy in at the bottom support, and then ride it back up as we retest 140. If you bought it in at 115, sell at 140, that's $25 per coin, which is quite a bit of money, at least in my books. But that's a smaller one. That's prior to the major bull run that we're most likely going to see. Lastly, for the top 3 blue chips, I don't know if you want to consider XRP to be one, but Ethereum is also now retesting the top. It is no longer, it's not yet overbought, but it is testing the top of its, channel that we're in right now. And as you guys can see, not only is Bitcoin in an ascending triangle, but so is Ethereum and Litecoin. So Ethereum, we've noticed that it has been trending in between its, top resistance, price ceiling, and price floor at 230 and 270, and we just managed to hit the top of here. You'll notice previously we were retesting this prior, and we broke bearish from that. We weren't successful with breaking above it, but you'll notice there's a good chance we could see another retracement, another retest, another pull back down to 230, and that will be a huge buying opportunity. So if we once again retest this bottom support level right here, that is major buy-in order, at least in my books, and I will be purchasing down at this 230 level. So I'm being patient. I'm waiting for consolidation. We could easily see it by next week, but a retracement back down is what I'm most likely anticipating the market to do due to the fact that every coin is practically overbought. Lastly, to summarize XRP looks a little bit better than the rest of the coins. You'll notice it is definitely an interesting, chart to analyze. Is there I apologize. I'm looking for some sort of, downtrend or triangle that's over this market. It's hard to say because this does cut right through. You'll see right there. I can leave it here just to see if it's going to hold, but I do think we're going to stay above that. So this is definitely a harder coin to trace, and I don't think this is that accurate, but I'm just going to put this here just so we have something to reference. But you'll see there is some sort of symmetrical movement forming right now over XRP, and it looks like it comes to an end in the beginning of July, as do the rest of the other altcoins. So we could see the beginning of July being a major move. We're looking for major volume to come in terms of like 2 weeks from now. So otherwise, we could see consolidation back down. The whole market entirely looks like it needs consolidation before we see that major run. But I am anticipating a huge run coming soon, guys. Otherwise, that's going to sum up today's episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. We do giveaways all the time. Huge shout out to those 3 people that won. Definitely make sure to email me if you do want your case. Super easy. Otherwise, make sure to head on over, check out the Lamborghini video that I made at the exotic car company. It's going to be awesome. It's the first link in the description. Send them some love. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers on the channel. We're trying to get that video pop in, so definitely make sure to send some love over there. Otherwise, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.